BSI scene safety. I'm going to go ahead and confirm that my partner here is oxygenating the patient at 5 to 6 breaths per minute on 15 liter, or 5 to 6 breaths per minute.
One breath every 6 seconds.
There we go. That's
Make it
thanks.
easy for you.
There, 1 breath every 6 seconds on 15 liters of oxygen. And while he does that, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the Combitube. I'm going to go ahead and take and check to see if both balloons, the proximal and distal balloons, inflate. The proximal balloon inflates at 15 milliliters of air. We'll go ahead and inflate it. That's actually the distal, I'm sorry. Pull it off. It holds air. I'm going to go ahead and deflate it. Get it ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and inflate the other one at 100 milliliters of air. Make sure it holds air. Pull it off, holds air. Go ahead and deflate it. I'm going to go ahead and lube up the tip. Make sure that stays on there so it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and lube up the tip of the Combitube, and I'm going to instruct my partner to take one last breath when he's ready. I'm going to go ahead and perform a tongue jaw lift and insert the Combitube. I'm going to insert it until the patient's teeth are in between the 2 black lines. Immediately inflate tube number 1, pull this off, inflate tube number 2, pull this off, instruct my partner to hook to tube number 1, take 1 breath, epigastrum, bilateral breath sounds.
You heard epigastric noise?
Go ahead, partner, switch to tube number 2. Give me 1 breath, please. Epigastrum, bilateral breath sounds.
You hear bilateral breath sounds, no epigastric noise?
Okay, it's at this time I'm going to go ahead and secure and make sure my patient's airway is secured with the universal tube holder, and I'm done.